joy inside your heart.
Mini Manny. Game World. This will be a great challenge.
There, it's finished. Neşe, here's your obstacle course.
Oh, wow, Dad, this is awesome.
Well, of course. I built it. Come on over. It's game time.
Are we ready to start the competition?
Hold on. Mutlu should join us.
He was doing his homework. I'll go and get him. Mutlu!
Whew, I finally finished my homework. Now I can play video games on my sister's tablet. Huh? Oh, there's a message. A game. Let me see what it is. Huh?
Mutlu, are you done with your homework?
Mm-hmm.
Okay then, Mutlu. Come outside. We built an awesome obstacle course.
Mm-hmm.
Mutlu, is that my tablet you're using? I told you that you could use it only for 5 minutes. Hey you, Earth to Mutlu.
What do you want?
Come to the garden. We built an obstacle course. Come on, let's go play.
All right, Neşe, coming right away.
Okay, we're here.
Where is Mutlu?
Huh? He was following me. Mutlu?
I'm on my way, sis.
Mutlu! Hey, watch out!
He fell in the pool.
Mutlu, are you all right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no more. You should go home and get dry.
Mm-hmm.
Mutlu, home is not that way. What's wrong with you today?
Mm-hmm. Mutlu, you all right?
Mutlu, I let you use my tablet for only 5 minutes. You need to put it away. You aren't even looking at where you're going. Whoever wins the obstacle race is gonna get to play dodgeball. I said dodgeball.
Huh? What? Who said dodgeball?
You're back at last. But first, you should go home and get dry.
Okay, right away. Oh, finally.
Mutlu wasn't acting like himself. He downloaded a new game. Huh? Uh-oh. Hey, that's me. Isn't that odd?
Huh? Neşe! Come on, let's do that track race. Where's my sister?
She's there. Huh? Where even am I right now? It's like I'm in a video game. Huh? What was that now? My medallion! Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, spark find a way to get out of here. What is going on here? Oh, it's so cold. Oh no, ice chocolates!
Run, Neşe, run!
I can't watch this.
Ha-ha! She got to the next level!
Oh,
It gets harder after each level.
what are we supposed to do?
We really need to find a way to get Neşe out of there.
Hey, Omer, are you leaving?
I am.
What do we do about Neşe?
I am going home to do research on how to save her. Don't worry, I'll be back.
How on earth is he so cool about all of this?
Don't you worry, Zuzu. My sister is about to finish another level.
Wow, but how? You mean Neşe is trapped in a video game?
Yes, that's it exactly.
The Shopalots must have uploaded a beam feature into the video game.
So how are we to rescue Neşe?
We'll stand by the tablet and enter the game with the same beaming technology. That should enable us to rescue Neşe.
I love that idea. I'm the very best at playing computer games. They're endless. Ha! Take this. Oh, I managed to pass them all. Huh? Ah!
We're finally here. Huh?
Run, run! I would have come sooner if I knew you were at this level. I'm sorry, but I can't select the levels myself.
Take this, fireballs!
We finished this level.
Neşe, are you all right?
I am, but I feel exhausted. Can we get out of here?
The beaming device isn't working right now.
Every video game has an end. This one's gotta have an end as well.
Well, maybe. Come on then, team. Oh, these are eraser Shopalots.
Hey, don't let them catch you. More and more of them are coming. I believe it's time for me to put all these guys to sleep. Lullaby, lullaby, little Shopalots. Sleepy time is coming for you, little Shopalots.
This is the end of the game, guys.
Oh. There's got to be another way out of here.
Watch out! Shopalot beam machines!
But where are we supposed to run? This way!
Neşe!
Neşe! We were all worried sick about you.
We made it back!
I'm deleting this game, and I won't play games I don't know anything about.
That's a good idea, Mutlu. Since you don't need me here anymore, I better be going. Thank you for your help as always, Goochlu. Don't mention it.
Wow, what a great track.
Let's play obstacle course.
And after that's done, we'll play dodgeball, right, you guys?
Yes, of course.
Hey, are you playing without me? Neşe, you made it back home.
That's right, Omer. Minnie, Manny, and Goochlu were able to save Neşe.
Then let's play.
Everyone go! Come on, let's go! Watch the water!
Ugh, an exhausting day.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Huh?
All right, let's play dodgeball now.
Maybe we should rest a little.
But you promised me, Zuzu.
All right, let's go with it. Who starts in the middle?
Me!
Neşe, Minnie, throw the ball really fast.